English grammar looks big, but it becomes easy when you learn the rules slowly. Today I will teach you the most important parts of English grammar in one long, clear lesson. You can understand everything even if your English level is low. Just listen, relax, and imagine you are learning with a calm teacher who explains step by step. Grammar is not only rules, grammar is structure. When you understand the structure, you can speak to people, tell stories, ask questions, and explain your life. Grammar is the skeleton of a language, and vocabulary is the muscle. So today we build your skeleton. Let us start with the most basic, but strongest rule of English. The English sentence usually has a simple order: subject plus verb plus object. I eat apples. Reza learns English. You watch my video. When you understand this order, you can create thousands of sentences. Now, let's talk about pronouns. Pronouns are small words that replace names. They are I, you, he, she, it, we, they. These words help us speak faster. Instead of saying Reza goes to the shop, you say he goes to the shop. Instead of saying the phone is new, you say it is new. English uses pronouns a lot, so it is good to learn them early. Next, the verb to be. This verb is special because it builds many types of sentences. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are. This verb helps you describe yourself, your feelings, and your situation. For example, I am happy, you are tired, it is cold today, he is a student. Learning am, is, are correctly helps. You sound confident when you speak. Now, let us talk about verbs in the present simple tense. Present simple is used for routines, habits, and general truths. For example, I wake up early, she drinks tea. The sun rises in the east. The rule is simple. With he, she, it, you add s at the end of the verb. He walks, she reads, it works. With I, you, we, they, you do not add s. I walk, they read, you learn. This is a small rule, but a strong one, because people notice when you make a mistake here. Now we move to the present, continuous. This tense shows an action happening now. I am talking, you are watching, he is working, they are cooking. The structure is am, is, are plus verb plus ing. You use this when the action is happening at the moment or around this time. For example, I am learning English this week. She is studying for her exam. They are building a house. This tense makes your English sound alive. Next, we talk about past simple. This is the tense for events that happened before now. I went to the shop. She cooked dinner. They watched TV. There are regular verbs that add ed, walked, studied, played, and irregular verbs that change completely. Go gives went, see gives saw, eat gives ate. You do not need to memorize all. Today, just learn a few every day. The past simple helps you tell your story. Future forms are also simple. You can say, I will go, she will study, They will travel. Will shows decisions, promises, and future actions. There is also going to. I am going to learn English. He is going to buy a phone. We use going to for plans, things we decided before. Now, let us talk about adjectives. Adjectives describe things. They come before the noun in English. A big house, a cold day, a beautiful girl. English adjectives do not change. For plural or gender, it is very easy. One big house. To big houses, same adjective. Adverbs describe how you do something. They often end in lie, slowly, quickly, carefully. For example, she runs fast. He speaks slowly. They work hard. Remember, some adverbs do not end in lie, like fast or hard. Now let us talk about articles. A, an. The A is for general things. A car, a man, a story. An is used before vowels. An apple, an idea. These used when we talk about something specific. The car outside. The girl in the red dress. The story you told me. Articles are one of the hardest parts of English, but with time, you understand them naturally. Now prepositions. In, on, at. In is for places and months. In the room, in Turkey, in December. On is for services and days. On the table, on Monday. At is for specific points. At home. At 5 o'clock. At the station. Prepositions are very important because they help you show time and place. Now questions. English questions usually follow a pattern. Do I does plus subject plus verb. Do you like tea? Does he work here? Or with the verb to be. Just change the position. Are you ready? Is she happy? When you know how to ask questions, communication becomes easier. Let us continue with modal verbs. Can, could, should, must, may, might. Can expresses ability. I can swim. Could is polite. Could you help me? Should gives advice. You should. Sleep earlier. Must shows necessity. You must. Wear a seat belt. May and might show possibility. It might rain. Modal verbs make your sentences powerful and meaningful. Now let us talk about countable and uncountable nouns. Countable, 1 apple, 2 apples. Uncountable, water, rice, money, information. With countable nouns you say, many apples. With uncountable nouns you say, much water. For both together, we use a lot of. This helps you speak more correctly in daily life. Next, let us talk about comparatives and superlatives. Comparatives compare to things. Bigger, smaller, faster, happier. She is taller than him. He is stronger than before. Superlatives compare many things. Biggest, smallest, fastest, happiest. She is the tallest in the class. This is very useful for describing people and things. This was your 1-hour journey into English grammar. You now know the foundation, pronouns, verbs, tenses, questions, articles, adjectives, prepositions, modals, comparisons, and connectors. Tools you can build conversations, stories, and explanations. Keep learning, keep practicing, and never stop speaking. You are becoming a real English speaker. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.